Welcome back to Wellness Yoga and Exercise. Today I am going to do cat and cow pose or Marjari Asana. This asana includes two yoga poses. Cat and cow pose is one of the easiest and most effective yoga asana. At first sit on Vajrasana, then slowly start sliding your hands into child pose. Then slowly start by kneeling on your hands and knees. Make sure hands are below your shoulder and knees are below your hips. And make sure that your spine is in straight line. Now moving into cow pose, slowly inhale as you drop your belly towards the mat. Lift your chin and chest upward. Stay here for 3 to 5 seconds. Then exhale deeply and bring your abdomen in, arching your spine and bringing your head and pelvis down like a cat. Stay here for 3 to 5 seconds. Then inhale deeply while curving your lower back and bringing your head up. And this way repeat these two postures alternatively 5 to 20 times. Cat-cow is a gentle flow between two poses that warms the body and brings flexibility to the spine. It stretches the back and neck and softly stimulate and strengthen the abdominal organs. It also opens the chest, encouraging the breath to become slow and deep. The spinal movement of the two poses stimulates the kidneys and adrenal glands. The stretches allows the body to relieve stress and calms the mind. After repetition cat-cow pose 5 to 20 times, relax the whole body and mind in child pose at least for 1 minute. This pose also relieves stress, tension, anxiety and calms the mind and relax the whole body. I hope this video will help you. If you enjoyed this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Keep practicing yoga and stay healthy, happy and fit.